Friends, how is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sherry, and I'm here with a quick giveaway journal. This was one I gave away a couple months ago, but the winner did not ever contact me. The other three, there were 4 journals. The other 3 went to new homes, but this person did not get back to me, so I'm going to do another quick giveaway. This is such a nice journal, and I think it should have a new home. So I had won this, and I had won several journals, and just I never used it, so I wanted to have a good home where someone's going to use it. It's got a little charm here with a twine string that wraps around several times, and you just wrap it around that button when you're done. It's a wraparound journal also with this kind of, I'm going to call it leathery because I don't know what it's made out of, but it's kind of a leathery cover. It's got sewing on it, and it's got a inside layer here that is soft. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but it probably is, I would guess, fabric. And then the one signature, it's got a 5 pamphlet stitch sewn in, and it's got a cover. The cover of the signature is double-sided cardstock. It's got a leather with that leathery fabric again. This right here is also here as a tuck spot, and in there we have a coffee dyed index card and a never used vintage postcard. And so we're just going to flip through this real quick, and I'll tell you how to enter. So just be over 18, be a subscriber, leave a comment that you're interested in winning, and make sure you check back before, after, in a week. Make sure you have the bell hit so you'll get notified. And then when I, check back and see if you're the winner, and then I'll need you to email me your address, which my email is always under my videos, turquoisedreamingsheree at gmail.com. And let's see, the giveaway video will be in a week or so. So I'm going to go be out of town for a few days. So when I get back, I'll do announce the winner. So let's just flip through real quick as a reminder, because I did do this before on the other video, but we'll do it again as a reminder, and for people who maybe didn't see that video before. So there's a lot of nice eclectic papers in here, coffee dyed papers, different just unique papers. Every page is unique. I don't think there's any duplicates in here. So each page is different, which is really neat. And there's basically no decorating done. Like I said, it's exactly as I received it when I won it. I didn't add anything, and I didn't take anything out. So it's just as I received it, as the person who gave it away originally and I won it made it. So lots of room in here. Pocket here with some tags, 3 tags. And then on the side of the envelope, I don't know if there's anything in there. I'm not going to open it. We'll leave that as a surprise. A little charm here wrapped around that. Little bronze star. And there's quite a few papers in here too. Quite a few pages. So lots of room to do things. That's a really neat ledger, yellow ledger there. A lot of neutral, so it can go any way you want. Use it for whatever you want. Any theme, or just, memory keeping or whatever. 2 nice pockets there in the middle. And then we have the same papers, of course, on the back side. Another one of those envelopes. Another 3 tags back here in this pocket. And then, the same papers on this back half. There is a pocket here with a tag that you can decorate. And I think there's another pocket here at the end. So, yeah, note paper there. And that will be the journal that you win. So really nice, right? Did I give you the size? It's about 5 or so inches wide by about 8.5 inches tall. So yeah, I look forward to sending this to a new home, and I wish you all the best of luck in winning it. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.